can't tell you. If you see the road. Hey guys, and welcome to another video. I'm here with the crew, cousin, nieces, and my son, of course. Look him there. Whoa! And we're hiking there today to, where is Turure? Turure Waterfall or Water Steps. I'm very excited about this one. We haven't done a hike in a long time. This is Valencia side, and the road to get here to the starting point where we park the vehicles, as you saw, is really bad, but the scenery is beautiful. Check out the river behind us. See it right there? And we continue the hike. Let's go. So waterfall, you really want to pay attention to the rain, because during the dry season it gets to a trickle. It has been raining, not all the time, but enough that we think we'll get some water, as evidenced by the ground and the muddiness. Definitely should have water. Alright, so we walk down to the river. Check it out. We're on the riverbank walking now. So we just crossed the river and heading back into the bush. We just crossed the river again, and we continue. So far, the trail has been pretty easy. We're coming across a hilly spot. It's not hard, it's just hilly. And we're going up. As we climb the hill and walk the trail, are you guys hearing the birds? Listen. Nice. Hiking in, and as you can see, the camera is struggling because it is so dark under the canopy. Anyway, we've been hiking in. It's been pretty good. It's just one or two slippery parts because of the mud, but normal bush trails, a little muddy, but that's okay. We're in nature. We're hearing the birds. It's fantastic. So check it out. We're crossing the river again. You can hear it. And it flows. There's guys there. So far, so good. It is fantastic nature. Careful. So again, a river crossing. But look how pretty. Still, you can actually see some mist in the air. This tree fell kind of around across the river, kind of making it difficult. But we're finding some paths. We're continuing. From what I could hear, we're close to the waterfall. But right before the waterfall, we're passing some spots with some very clear water. Look at that. Clear water. You can hardly see it in the camera. Clear water. So the limestone waterfall, or the limestone in the area that Turure is made up of, the water steps, really does have a cleaning effect on the water. This is some of the cleanest water I've seen in Trinidad. That is fantastic. Check it out. The first one. How much there are? 4. There are 4, and this is the first one. Amazing. I love it. Check it out. I want to go underneath it. We'll see if we go up and then come back, but we'll see. And the water around me is so clear, as I was saying. top, water flows. We're at the bottom of the first one, as we saw. There's Roland with his daughter and my niece. I heard my son taking in the nature. And check out that clear blue water. We're going to go to the others first and then come down. But look at that water. Alright, so that's the waterfall behind me. I have to climb up this precarious thing to get to the top where you saw everyone else. Let's go. Some branch. Yes, we're here at the top. That's the edge. And check out, nice and calm. And look at this pool here. And there is more, and there is the bigger step we're seeing further up. Let me just get some video here and then we'll head up. Look at the pool we're seeing, and on this side we have the actual waterfall. It's just beautiful, but you just have to be sure of your footing. I am not that close. I'm actually about 2 feet away from the edge. You never know, I'm kind of clumsy, I might fall over. So I'm just being a little more careful, but check that view. Right, from this vantage point, that's the edge of that water step. And when you look there, you can see the other two. A big one, and right behind it is a smaller one, but they're both pretty big. So that's where we're heading. Fantastic big limestone steps, and there is another one right up there. So let's go around it. Let's take that in. Alright, there's a path going up around that I'm going to take, but let's take a little look there again at the big one and the water steps. And now let's head up this path to the top of this one. See how that looks from up there. Ooh. That is the edge of the big one. And look at the trees you see in there. That's the waterfall. Again, I don't want to go too close to the edge. And look at this other step there. But if you look right there, what are you seeing? A fantastic pool. Let's go and take a look at it. So we're going to go to the top of this one. Look at that pool, man. And we're going to walk up here. Where water flows, in theory, should not be slippery, and that holds true here. You can just walk up here. Pretty easy. Again, pool, right? And like that, we're at the top of it. Whoa! Damn. That's the top of that big one, and as we walk there are smaller ones there, and as you can see, smaller steps here. My son is just going up one there right now, and the water continues to be fantastic. Let's continue to head in. Again, little steps as we come up, and we're going up. There's supposed to be like a fourth one, a kind of biggish. Whoa! Check the size of that thing. So I saw that big one and I'm getting excited to reach it. But along the way, there are really nice pools for bathing, and it's nice, clean, clear water, as you can see, leading all the way up to it. So yes, the steps are the feature, but there is so much more here it has to offer. I'm not sure why I have not been here before. I'll be here a few times more. It wasn't supposed to rhyme, but hey. Check it out. Fantastic. The guy's already at the top. Look at that nice clear water. Nature at its best. I'm going to climb up the path. And that there, guys, is the top of the big one. Water flowing. Look at that nice blue water. But it has nice water here. Selena already in the water. So my turn. I have to go in the water. Really? Nice. So we're at the top of the big one. That's the edge there. And it has a really nice, somewhat deep, freshwater pool. Again, fresh water. Look how beautiful it is. Amazing. Trinidad has so much to offer. You just have to work for it. I always say that. Amazing. Woo! Deep, I can't touch. Alright, we took a dip in that pool. Fantastic. It's actually pretty deep. I went in, put my arms right up, and I still wasn't touching. So, be able to swim. And we're heading down now to the other pools. We went for a dip underneath the big one there. It's deep in certain areas, but not that deep. Just above my head. But the bathing spot really so far is the top where we were originally. We're still heading down. By the one with the clear water. We're heading down to get there and swim.
All flights just flight has here.
That's a leader, they're jumping in the water, just having a good time swimming. The water is so nice, so fantastic. Of course we beat it up so it's not as clear as before, but still, check it out. Swimming in nature, fresh water. Relax a lot here actually and start talk, swim, and now we're ready to walk back down. But son, like, he doesn't want to go. He keeps jumping in the water because look at it. How could he not want to jump in the water? Anyway, it's been really fantastic. So we continue to head back out. This is the other big one. My son, of course, being the adventurer he is, climbed up into the water itself. Whoa, whoa, and I nearly fell. But check it out, look how beautiful that is. So we walk down a little more. On top of the first one here. Sun again, taking all the opportunity he can to dip in the water. But look how pretty this place is again and again. I keep getting reminded. It is so fantastic. On our way back, hiking out, and we just crossed more than once the river already on our way back, heading out. They say hiking out is always a little easier, so we'll see how that goes. Back, we actually ate. That's why I didn't record, you know, everybody was pretty hungry. Bossed down some pizza and apple pie and stuff. So we're now full, sun is tired, but it was a good hike, right?
Yeah.
Really, really nice. And I love that clean water. It's one of the cleanest water I've seen in Trinidad. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank Kendall and the guys and my cousin Roland and his daughter for coming along. You know, I'll be heading back to Jamaica soon, so it was nice to get in that one last hike. So I appreciate everyone making the effort. I really enjoyed myself. I would advise anyone come up to the what you call it again? Turure Waterfalls. These limestone steps, really fantastic. Anyway guys, as always, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.